Formal vocabulary and tone. Ditching the slang and embracing elegance. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we're going to dive into an important aspect of formal English writing, avoiding slang, colloquialisms, and contractions. This topic will help you convey your thoughts clearly and professionally, thereby elevating your written communication skills. Remember, mastering this can make a significant difference in formal or academic environments. Let's start by defining our key terms. Slang is very informal language, often specific to a certain group or culture. Colloquialisms are informal expressions, idioms, or phrases that are commonly used in everyday conversation. Lastly, contractions are shortened forms of words or phrases, such as don't, for, do not, or it's, for, it is. In formal writing, it's essential to avoid these elements to maintain a professional and clear tone. Firstly, when we talk about avoiding slang, it means choosing words that are universally understood and not specific to a certain group. For example, instead of writing, "I aced the test," which is slang, you could write, "I performed exceptionally well on the test." Here, we're replacing the slang term, aced, with more standard, formal vocabulary. Next, we look at colloquialisms. These are common in spoken English but can make formal writing seem casual or unprofessional. For instance, the phrase, "raining cats and dogs," is a colloquialism. Instead, we would write, "It's raining heavily," in a formal context. Finally, contractions. While they are great for making speech and informal writing seem more natural, they should be avoided in formal writing. Instead of using can't, we would use cannot. Instead of there, we would write out they are. This makes the tone of your writing more serious and professional. There you have it. Avoiding slang, colloquialisms, and contractions can seem like a small change, but it makes a big difference in making your writing sound more formal and polished. Keep practicing, and soon enough, these tips will become second nature. We hope this video has been helpful in improving your English formal writing skills. Stay tuned for more insightful language tips.